The ground strap isn't usually the first component that comes to mind when thinking about your car's condition, but it plays a crucial role in how everything works. If it goes bad, it can trigger a range of electrical problems. In this video, we'll go over the common signs of a worn or damaged ground strap so you know exactly what to watch for. First, let's quickly understand what a ground strap actually does. A ground strap provides a path for electrical current to travel between the engine, chassis, and other metal parts of the vehicle, ensuring proper grounding. This connection helps release excess electrical charge, reduces interference, and allows different electrical systems, including the engine, to function smoothly. It also acts as a safety route, guiding electricity safely back to the battery or ground, preventing damage caused by voltage buildup. Now, let's break down the symptoms of a failing engine ground strap in detail, starting with symptom number 1, flickering headlights. If your headlights start flickering, it's a warning sign you shouldn't ignore. One possible cause is a bad ground strap. When this connection is loose or damaged, it creates resistance in the circuit powering the headlights, causing them to flicker or dim. Occasional flickering might come from a loose connection, but constant flickering usually points to a bigger issue. Tightening or replacing the strap often fixes this problem and restores stable lighting. Symptom number 2, trouble starting the car. When your car struggles to start, a weak ground connection could be the culprit. You might hear clicking or tapping sounds during startup attempts, often coming from the starter solenoid. A poor ground can interrupt the voltage supply to the starter, making it hard for the engine to crank. However, keep in mind that a weak or dead battery can cause similar symptoms, so proper diagnosis is important. Symptom number 3, dim interior lights. A failing ground strap can lead to dim or inconsistent interior lighting. This happens because the electrical system can't maintain a steady current flow, resulting in uneven brightness inside the vehicle. Symptom number 4, dashboard warning lights. Modern cars have multiple warning lights, which can sometimes be confusing. If the battery warning light appears, it might indicate a grounding issue. This light usually means the battery isn't charging properly. Still, a faulty ground strap isn't the only possible cause. Bad wiring or a failing alternator can also trigger it. If you need to keep driving briefly, turn off non-essential electronics like the AC and radio to conserve battery power. Symptom number 5, low battery voltage. If your vehicle isn't getting enough electrical power, the ground strap might be at fault. You can check this using a multimeter at the battery terminals. With the engine off, it should read around 12.6 volts. A lower reading could mean a weak battery or a grounding problem. Symptom number 6, engine stalling or hesitation. While driving, a faulty ground strap can cause the engine to stall or hesitate during acceleration. This happens because unstable electrical flow can disrupt signals to the ECU, affecting overall engine performance. Symptom number 7, unusual electrical issues. A poor ground can lead to random electrical glitches, especially when multiple systems are in use. For example, running the AC and a powerful sound system at the same time might cause irregular behavior. You may also notice that certain features, like power windows or high beams, don't work properly when used together. Symptom number 8, battery not charging properly. A damaged ground strap can stop the battery from charging efficiently, since proper grounding is essential for the charging system. That said, it's not always the only reason. An old battery or a failing alternator could also be responsible. Always check thoroughly before replacing parts. If you suspect a bad ground strap based on these signs, start with a visual inspection. Look for corrosion, wear, or physical damage. Clean the connection points to ensure solid metal contact, as corrosion can block proper conductivity. If the strap is damaged, replace it with the correct type for your vehicle. Typically, replacing a ground strap costs between $10 and $30 for the part. If a mechanic does the job, labor can add another $50 to $100, making the total around $60 to $130. It's an affordable fix, but very important for keeping your vehicle's electrical system reliable. After cleaning or replacing the strap, test the system again to make sure everything is working properly. If issues remain, further inspection of the electrical system may be needed. That's it for the key signs of a faulty engine ground strap. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple guides to help keep your car running smoothly.